Here's an easy beginner's pattern that uses just knit and purl stitches. It's worked over a multiple of 5 plus 4 stitches, and in my example I've put one edge stitch on each edge. So I've casted on 26 stitches. Row 1. We're just going to knit the edge stitch at the beginning and end of each row. And for row 1, we're just going to knit all the stitches. Row 2, we're going to knit the edge stitch. That'll just give us a garter edge just to help maybe prevent it from rolling. So we'll knit the edge stitch and then we will purl 4, and then knit 1 and purl 4. Knit 1, purl 4. Knit 1, purl 4. Knit 1, purl 4. And then we're just going to knit that last stitch. Row 3, knit all the stitches. Row 4, knit the edge stitch, purl 4, knit 1, purl 4, knit 1, purl 4, knit 1, purl 4, knit 1, purl 4, and we'll knit the last stitch. Row 5, we'll knit all the stitches. In row 6, which is the last row of the pattern, we're also going to knit all the stitches. And after this row, we just go back and repeat those 6 rows.